Did you know the man history calls the ultimate party animal actually taught the opposite? Epicurus never promoted wild hedonism. His true teaching was simple. Real pleasure means no anxiety and no pain. He created something called pleasure calculus, weighing short-term fun against long-term consequences. This became the foundation of modern decision science. Epicurus believed deep friendships and simple living were the keys to happiness, not endless partying. His wisdom shows us that true joy comes from peace of mind, not temporary thrills.